That is. In this video, I want to discuss stridor. Stridor is caused by narrowing or obstruction of the upper airway. Stridor is wheezing, but it's usually heard during the inspiratory phase, whereas in this diagram, this is the inspiratory phase and this is the expiratory phase. These little lines denote wheezes. So during inspiration, stridor can be heard without a stethoscope. It originates from around the pharynx and the larynx, so therefore it can be heard during inspiration without a stethoscope. You can hear it standing next to them, and sometimes you can hear it on the exhalation too. The causes for this are croup, that's very common with pediatric patients, along with their barking when they cough. It could be a foreign body in their airway. If they have a nickel in there and it's turned a little bit sideways, that'll cause stridor. Could be a tumor growing in their airway.